How to slow down YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch YouTube app on your device. Sign in to your account. Now you can easily scroll down and look for the videos which you want to slow down. Simply tap to open it. Once you open it, you will see the gear icon at top right. Tap on it and then you will see a menu at bottom of the screen where there are different options like quality, playback speed, caption, lock screen, sleep timer and additional setting. You can even tap additional setting and look for the options. Now come back. Simply tap the gear icon and select playback speed. And now here you can easily slow down your YouTube videos. At default, it has been set to normal. You can easily drag the slider to the left side and then slow down your speed. As you can see that we have successfully slowed down the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.